everyone, today I'm gonna making fried fresh squid with basil. My favorite food and it's very healthy and very yummy. Okay, let's see what we have. We have squid.
Wow.
See? Very fresh. Ooh. And we have oyster sauce, sugar, fish sauce, soy sauce, chili with garlic, cooking oil, and basil. Cooking time! Yay! Let's cooking! Okay, first I'm gonna put cooking oil. And then chili with garlic. Good. I'm gonna mix it until the garlic is smell good. Okay, next I'm gonna put squid. Yay! Smell of squid. See? Very beautiful squid. See everyone, see? The squid almost done now. Water. Okay. Then I'm gonna put oyster sauce. Okay. Then I'm gonna put sugar. And fish sauce. Soy sauce. Smell good. I like it. Smoke. Okay, next. Then last one. I'm gonna put basil. All of this healthy. Smell very good. Eat with hot rice together. Very good. Delicious. Billion world. Okay, done. Gonna put in the plate. Everything done, everything perfect. My fried fresh squid is done now. Okay, I'm gonna try it. gonna end video now. Please like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell for me. Okay. See ya. It's very delicious. You can make for your parents or your brother. Everything. Just it's very delicious. Just do like I do. Okay. If I can do, you can do. Okay. Bye everyone. See ya. ปานวารีกระบวนท่าที่ 4 คือน้ำ